Well, if you didn't have any batteries, the day would come when you'd have to calculate square roots. Let's calculate square roots. Let's measure them using graph paper. We're going to draw right triangles, and we'll remember the Pythagorean theorem, but you'll also need to take a piece of graph paper and crease it right along one of the blue lines. We're going to use that as our square root measuring stick. And we're going to calculate using the Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus 1 squared is 1 plus 1 is 2. So the square root of 2 is, now you line up a blue line. I'll pick the top corner. I'm lining it up on the top corner. And the bottom corner is at the number 1 point, not quite 1.5, I'll say 1.4. So the square root of 2 is approximately 1.4. See how this works? Let's calculate some more square roots. 2 squared plus 1 squared is 4 plus 1 is 5. Square root of 5 is 1, 2, just a little bit over 2, say 2.1. Who says you need batteries to calculate a square root? You can do a lot with graph paper. 3 squared plus 9 squared, Pythagorean theorem. 9 plus 4 is 13, square root of 13. Line that blue line up there. We're going 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3.5. Square root of 13 is approximately 3.5. Of course, you can do big triangles too. Here we have 6 and 11. We've got a right triangle. Of course, we're going to measure a pretty long square root, but 6 squared plus 11 squared is 36 plus 121. That is 157. Square root of 157. Let's line up the blue line here and take it to the end. I'm just lining it up here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Looks like 12.4 to me. So the square root of 157 is approximately equal to 12.4. You can calculate square roots using the Pythagorean theorem and measure them with some graph paper.